We all carry a secret ledger, not of money or time, but something far more valuable. It's the invisible account of the things we trade away as we get older, a hidden cost we rarely talk about. We call it growing up. But what do we really use up? What is the true resource that slips away year after year? The answer isn't complex. It's the most powerful, infinite, and beautifully chaotic engine we possess: the human imagination. Think back to being a child. Everything was a starting point for a grand adventure. A cardboard box wasn't trash. It was a spaceship, a dollhouse, or a time machine. The backyard wasn't a patch of grass. It was a boundless jungle, a fortress under siege, or the surface of an alien planet. The currency of that world was pure, unbridled imagination. We were unburdened architects. We didn't need a license, a budget, or a blueprint to build entire universes. Our toys were merely suggestions. The real magic happened in the space between our ears, the vivid, self-contained cinema of the mind. That was our infinite resource, the well that never ran dry. We didn't need to buy a fantasy. We simply had to think it. Then, somewhere along the line, the trade began. We were told to swap the boundless for the practical, the fantastical for the factual. We traded our homemade spaceships for car keys, our invisible friends for professional networks, and our mythical quests for mortgages and deadlines. We started to see things only as they are. A cardboard box is just a cardboard box. A piece of wood is just firewood. We replaced the power of internal creation with the demand for external stimulation. We use up the imaginative energy that makes us innovators, artists, and problem solvers. And we replace it with a relentless pursuit of the tangible. We think we're gaining wisdom, but we're really just adding constraints. We're training our minds to stop asking, "What if?" and only ask, "What is?" And that, my friends, is the hidden cost of growing up. We use up our belief in what could be. But here is the beautiful truth, the core of the paradox. Unlike a financial ledger, this resource can be replenished. The power of human imagination is not like a muscle that can wear out, but a tool we simply forget how to pick up. It's the tool that invented the steam engine, wrote the greatest symphonies, and landed a rover on Mars. Every single advance in human history, every breakthrough, every moment of progress, began with someone closing their eyes and imagining something that did not yet exist. This power is what we truly use, and it's not an expense, it's an investment. So, how do we reverse the trade? We start small. Take a moment to look at your world not as a collection of fixed objects, but as a series of open questions. Let your mind wander down an absurd tangent. Pursue a curiosity simply because it delights you, not because it pays you. Use your lunch break not to scroll, but to dream. Growing up doesn't have to mean giving up the magic. The secret cost isn't the loss of something external, but the neglect of something internal. The greatest resource you have isn't the money in your bank account, the time on your clock, or the list of your achievements. It is the ability to envision a world better, funnier, and more exciting than the one you currently occupy. Don't let your imagination be the thing you've used up. Pick up that infinite tool again. The world you build next depends on it. If these words resonates with you, if you believe that the greatest things are always built in the space of what if, then join us. Let's pool our forgotten resources, rediscover the joy of the impossible, and build the future the real world said we couldn't.